This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cristina Wray. Beautiful 4-bedroom and 2-bath home located in the desirable Rosemont Forest Neighborhood. This home offers an open floor plan ready for entertainment. Open living room with wood-burning fireplace overlooking the dining room. Eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances with patio door for easy access to fenced-in backyard. First floor owner's suite, first floor laundry, and 2 additional large rooms. Hugh bedroom on the 2nd floor with walk-in closet. Blocks away from Stumpy Lake and proximity to the amphitheater, dining, shopping, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Cristina Wray at 757-638-5700.